Pixel shader. It's for creating a pixel of an image or texture that you assign in a color. Going to the texture, effect, and simple pixel shader. If you assign the pixel shader, you can assign to this. First, it tells you, give me a texture that you want to pixelize for. You can load your own image or you can use other shader that you want. For example, load the image. I load this image and you can see, let's turn off the light. You can see it pixelize that image for me. And from here, if you come to the shader, you can add more pixel in view and we access. Now we can see we have more pixel and we can more define the main texture. You can animate them here, for example, to this tile to V and to U and V, and in this time you can make them less. Now you can see, click. I will be explaining the animation system after material system. Now you can see we have a simple animation of for a smooth transition between the this animation. You can turn off the smooth. We have more smooth. You can see we have more smooth transition between. This is for animation, and that's it. It's pixelize your texture.